All right, guys, we're installing some Auxito H11 equivalent LED high beams on this 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan. Your high beams on this vehicle are located right here towards the inside, low beams on the outside. Come take a look right here with me, and you can see it plain as day right here. Give her a turn to the left, and she pops out. Unclip your harness. You got there and there on the side, and clip your new products in. Let's get them done. All right, you will notice on the driver's side, you want to take the harness off first so you have room to turn it. It does come with zip ties in case you want to tie up that extra length on the wires. And we are done. Simple as that. Let's see the difference. Now those puppies are bright. It's nighttime. I just took it for a drive, and let me tell you, you can see the world with those. If you forget to turn your brights off, you'll know it because people will be flashing you.